Tonight, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Kansas and Salina Regional Health Center are at an impasse on their contract negotiations. Salina Regional has until September 3rd to decide if it wants to remain an in-network provider with Blue Cross Blue Shield. It's a question that could affect a lot of people who receive health care there. Brandon Stitt tells us what the hospital and insurance company are saying.
These negotiations have been going on for at least 2 months between Salina Regional Health Center and Blue Cross Blue Shield of Kansas. Now Blue Cross Blue Shield says they've made their final offer. But if Salina Health Center doesn't accept, what does that mean? If you have Blue Cross Blue Shield and plan on continuing getting your health care at Salina Regional, things could soon change if an agreement is not reached. Salina Regional says it's been consistent in asking for an offer from Blue Cross Blue Shield that mirrors other hospitals like Salina. An offer from Blue Cross Blue Shield in May, Salina Regional says was far from its goal. It says it made a counteroffer in July and made considerable concessions. But Blue Cross Blue Shield says the offer is competitive, and it says what the hospital is asking for is unreasonable, alarming, and unsustainable. So they've made their best and final offer. Salina Regional says it ultimately hopes Blue Cross Blue Shield decides to treat Salina Regional and their providers in a fair manner. But until September 3rd, we won't know. In Salina, Brandon Stitt, 12 News.
One important note, even if no agreement is reached, members will still have access to in-network care at the hospital and its clinics through the end of the year. Emergency care will always be covered by Blue Cross Blue Shield with no out-of-network penalties.